You know aviator sunglasses, big lenses, thin metal frames, and that effortlessly cool vibe. But these weren't made for fashion. They were actually designed for war. Let's break down how aviators went from a cockpit essential to a pop culture icon. The story starts in the 1930s. As planes flew higher, pilots needed protection from intense sunlight, and the US military tapped Bosch and Lamb to create a solution. They created the first anti-glare glasses with green lenses, what we now know is the Ray-Ban Aviator Classic, born for fighter pilots, now a fashion staple. During World War II, aviators became standard military issue. General Douglas MacArthur was famously photographed in them, cementing their reputation for power and grit. This was the original blueprint for cool form follows function. And post-war, aviators hit Hollywood. You had Steve McQueen sporting the Persol 649s, not a classic aviator frame, but definitely in the same family. Fast forward to 1986, Tom Cruise and Top Gun made the Ray-Ban Aviator 3025 iconic all over again. More brands joined the game. Maui Jim launched the Mavericks, and Oakley gave us the Crosshair with that sport-driven twist. Today, aviators come in almost every style. Mirror, polarized, oversized, you name it. There's the Randolph Engineering Aviator, worn by actual Air Force pilots. Then there's the Fuse Sanibel, a modern, sleeker aviator built for comfort and durability, with the bonus of Fuse's custom lenses that boost clarity and color without sacrificing any style. Whether you're chasing retro vibes or need a performance frame for the everyday hustle, aviators are still doing what they've always done, looking sharp while getting the job done. So next time you throw in a pair of aviators, remember you're rocking a piece of history. Like, subscribe, let me know in the comment section down below what is your favorite aviator style frame, and that's a wrap.